Hey, Shy. Hello. Hi. Hey guys, so I've got this art palette that I thought that I would show you. I have been doing some painting recently and this is the palette that I have gotten. So yeah, well, I guess more art set. So I have used it. I really did like it. So it came with this watercolor paper and it's also come with all of these beautiful colors. So I guess let's open her up. We've got a little palette here, so that's worthwhile. Got one of these, so we'd love to see your artworks. They're suggesting that any artwork that I make with this brand that I should, you know, tag them and they might put my work on their page. I don't know if my work's that good, but yeah. So we got this palette, so it's a test swatch thing. We've got also this, so it shows what kind of colors are in the palette, and honestly some of these colors are really pretty. I really do enjoy this palette. So, and underneath here we've got the colors, so you can see the colors that I have already used. Obviously I've used like the white, I've used this one. I did want to try and use this pen, but when I went to use it, it was a little bit tricky to, you know, get water into it. So I haven't used that yet. I used other things, but I really did love these metallic colors. So it's got a few metallic colors and they're very pretty. Now I'm not a connoisseur of art palettes, but I do really enjoy this one. I thought that I would show you guys, but yeah, anyway, that's all. Hopefully you enjoy my art pieces. So the art palette that I've chosen to use today is this watercolor artist pad. It's by Enco, so you can get this from Kmart. It's not super pricey, which is what I like about it, but there are, I don't know if you can see, there are little marks here and there throughout the paper. I don't know if that was just damaged in traveling or if that was damage that came with it, or if the paper just happens to have that throughout it, but there's just a few little marks. So if you like your paper clean, I don't know if this one will be for you, but I have used it before and I do quite like it for its price. So yeah. We do.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo. Set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flies, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got patience. One day at a time is how you operate a cadence. A flow, you grow, you show yourself a foundation. Stay away from all the shit that causes temptation. I know that I like to do it cause it's sensation. I live my life in my head like a narration. Don't expect greatness, do my best, man, I'll take it. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yeah, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why I say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can.
So my camera died and I have gotten to this point. I didn't realize my camera died, so unfortunately I didn't get all the footage of everything that I'm doing, but this is where we're up to. So yeah. So as you can see, I've been playing around with light. So I've just been adding little bits of like speckles of glittery kind of stuff. I've been combining, because I wasn't happy with how it was looking fully, so I've just sort of combined a little bit of so this is a watercolor, but I've added some acrylic as well and some pens as well to give it some, like, you know, little aesthetic things. I don't know, I just feel like that it makes it stronger. So yeah. So what I'm doing is I'm adding a light source. So the light is coming from this point up here, and I'm bringing it through. Because the really cool thing is with these watercolors is some of them can go over and it works. So yeah, I hope you enjoy this. I didn't really get to show you guys me pulling off the actual tape because my camera died. And while I was charging my camera, I also did these two as well. Obviously I'm still doing this one, but I just did this one before. So I hope you like my art, and I might have gotten colour all over my hands, but that's okay because I guess that's how the world works. You get paint on your hands. All in all, I actually really do love this art kit. I feel like these colours have translated really nicely. I added some blues into the hair, and I just really like how it turned out. So if you guys like this kind of video, I am more than happy to do that. I've also just discovered, because these things come out, they've actually got their names on their back as well. So I don't know if you can see that, it's 20. So the names of them are on the sheet. As you can see, it has the numbers. So if for whatever reason your little cube things get taken out and fall out, or you need to move them around, you will be able to figure out what place they are. That's actually really cool. Anyway, I am going to leave this video at that. I would love it if you guys commented, and if you guys loved this video, I would love it if you guys actually, you know, liked and subscribed, because I really did enjoy doing this. I also thought I would add in that I used this pen, these Artistro pens, for the white here, and I used, for any of the black that was a marker, I used these, the Yusen Black Pigment Liner Set. So I really do enjoy this. I am going to work on my masking tape, because as you can see, I kind of might have gotten some colour on the edges where I wasn't intending on getting it, but that's okay. Lessons learnt. Anyway, bye!